So we're dealing with this perimeter problem. We've done a bunch of math work up until this point. We go ahead and we read that we wanted to find the value of x and the side lengths if the perimeter is 48 inches. So we had those three sides. We combined like terms, and we ended up getting that our x value is equal to 5.25. So in this two-part question here, we've already found the value of x. So we're happy about that, but we need to take that value of x and plug it back in so we could evaluate those expressions and figure out what are the side lengths for this particular triangle. And you might definitely want to consider using the calculator here, no doubt about it. But I'm going to take each of these sides. I'm going to take 5.25 and plug it in wherever I see the value x. And then we'll go ahead and simplify everything. So 3 side lengths here. 5x minus 8. We have 2x plus 5. And we have x plus 9. And every one of those I want to take and I want to plug in the 5.25 for x. I'll actually work from the bottom up just because these numbers are smaller than over here and a little bit easier to work with down here. So down here, plug in 5.25. When you plug something in, use parentheses. So not a terrible one down here on the bottom. We plug in 5.25 for x. I'm going to switch to the color green here. 5.25 plus 9 would be 14.25. Well, that writes a lot better. So one of our sides of the triangle would be 14.25. Next up, I'll go ahead and plug in 5.25, our value for x, for the side length that was 2x plus 5. There's a 2. I'm going to take that 5.25 and plug it in, use parentheses. I have 2, I got to follow the order of operations here, 2 times 5.25 plus 5. We do the multiplication first. And again, maybe you need to do this in your calculator. 2 times 5.25 would be 10.5. 10.5 plus 5 would be 15.5. So we have 2 of the 3 side lengths for this triangle. One side's 14.25, another side's 15.5. So let's go ahead and just take the value x, 5.25, plug it into that last expression up there. 5, and then I have my variable x, plug in, use parentheses. 5 times 5.25, that's kind of tricky to think about. You might need a calculator for that one. I believe, if I'm doing my math work here right, I get 26.25 when I do that. And I want to subtract 8 from that. 26.25 minus 8 would be 18.25. Now, just to double check yourself, remember these 3 numbers here should add up to be 48 because that's adding up the 3 sides would give us the perimeter. 0.25, 0.25, and 0.5 would give us the number 1. 18, 15, and 14, if we add that together, 14, 15 is 29. 29 and 18 is 47. 47 plus that 1 we have to carry would be 48. So we have 3 good side lengths there, the 3 side lengths of our triangle, 14.25, 15.5, and 18.25.